Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok. In this session, we learn the GCD, any two positive integer number in C language. So first I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process. And now yes is open. Alt F file menu, taking new file, and here our goal, write a program to find at GCD of any two integer numbers using for loop. Yes, so here we can use as a for loop. So in my previous two video lecture in my YouTube channel, Ashok Academy, so at time we can I use as a while loop and recursion logic. So here we can use as a for loop. And first question that I already covered in my previous two video lectures. So I just short revise. So what is a GCD, or we can say that HCF? So that is a both same. So that is a greatest, yes, common uh, common divisor. So and we can say that, or highest, yes, highest common factor. So that is a we can find out the factor. So that is a let us check. So first that condition. So make, can say that, make a prime factors of, yes, factors of numbers, and then we can say that choose the prime common factor, and then select HCF, or we can say that GCD. So yes, I give now one example so you can understand what is a prime factor of numbers, and then choose the prime factor and then select the HCF or GCD. So that is a highest common factor, or we can say that greatest common divisor. So let us check. We can find at HCF 4 and 8. So that is a, I give mathematical, that is a process. So we can find out 4 and 8. So first we can find the factor of 4. Yes, so factor of 4. So that is a, like we can say that 1, 2, and 4. How that possibility? So factor of 4 is, yes. So here we can find like 4 equal to 4 multiply 1, yes, and 2 multiply 2. So that is a 1, 4, and 2 is the factor of 4. Now we can find same process to 8. So any two integer number, yes. So 8 multiply 1, that is we can find out 8 like our prime number, the number itself, and then 1, that is a only two divisor, other not factor of that number. So that is a prime number, otherwise that not is a prime number. So here we can find the common factor. So remainder is 0, that is meaning. So now we can say that 2 multiply 4, yes, here equal sign, and 2 multiply 4, that is we can find the 8, and equal sign 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So that is why also get the 8. So now we can, yes, here we can say that factor of 8 is, so that is a 1, yes, 2, and 4, and 8. So now that is a, in first make a prime factor of that number, we can satisfy this condition, and then common prime factor. Now we can select the common prime factor. So now you can understand common prime factor. So we can say that factor 4 and 8 is. So let us check. We can give 1, 2, and 4. Yes, that is a common prime in both the list. 4 number, that is also cover 1, 2, 4, and here 1, 2, 4. But 8 is not in the 4 list. So we can consider that is a common factor. And now we can select Yes, and select the HCF highest common. So that is a 4. So now we can say that our answer, so HCF of 4 and 8 is, yes, that is a 4. So that is our answer. So that process we can implement using the for loop. So now you can understand what is a greatest common divisor, or we can say that highest common factor. So both is the same. So now I give multi-comment line, that is our paperwork. Yes, and that we can find out. So let us check. I give multi-comment line, and now we can start our uh, link section, and that is our header file. So stdio, standard input output, and conio, console input output. So yes, that is our header file that to require in program, this program. And void main, so here we can take as void main and declare our integer variable, because here that is integer. So I, that is for loop counter variable, x y, that two positive number, and GCD, that is our find out GCD, greatest common divisor. So I clear the screen, and then we can scan two integer number from user, that is our input. So input, output, and process, so that is a divide and conquer any definition in C language, so you can better do your logic. So yes, here enter x and y value, or we can say that yes, here message enter any two integer numbers. So, and here I cannot use as a positive, because we can convert negative number into positive. So that is perfectly. So now we can scan. So ampersand x and ampersand y. So if user enter negative value, so we can convert in positive. So how? So let us check x. Yes, x is greater than 0. So that is a question. So that is x is x, otherwise colon, that minus x. So minus minus is plus. So negative number convert in positive number. Same thing in y. So y is greater than 0. So question x, y, and question that is minus y. So negative number converting positive. Now what to do? So now we can take as for loop. So I equal to 1, then I less than equal to x, and logical and operator I less than equal to y, and then I plus plus. So let us check how it's work that logic. So here logical and operator we have to use, and if condition. So here we can say that x modulo I equal to 0, and logical again I use y modulo I equal to 0. So we can say that GCD equal to I. Yes, that is perfectly. And now we can print. So we can say that the G, yes, GCD is, we can say that GCD, that our two numbers, so that is person is, or we can say that GCD uh, percentage D, and yes, and percentage D is colon percentage D. So X, Y, and GCD, that is our variable. So gets CH, yes. So let us check this logic, and I save first this file. So we can say that GCD underscore for loop dot C. Yes, GCD we can find help of the for loop. So that is a file name. So we can easily find out. So here user enter negative number, so that is a converting positive number. So yes, I compile. Yes, there is no any error. So our exe file is generated. Now I can run. So I give 4 and 8. So yes, that 4, that GCD or HCF, that 4. So again, I run, and we can say that 3 and 15. So you can look, I enter key. Previously I scanned, that time one blank page. So 3 and 50, that is a 3. That is our GCD, greatest common divisor. So how that possibility, this logic. So let us alter W, and take as a watch window. So here I first I, that's our variable, then x, then y, that, and that is GCD. So four variable we have to use. Alter W again, and we can take watch window. So I can scan. Uh, you have to know alter R, that is trace into. I press F7 function key. So that is now output window is clear. Yes, enter any two integer number, but I give in minus negative. So what happened? So negative number converting positive. So here that I use as a conditional operator, or conditional operator also known as a ternary operator in C language. So I press F7 so you can watch in watch window. So see in the watch window what happened. So here we can say that our watch window, that is a minus x equal to -4 and y equal to -8, but I press F7, so minus minus plus. Yes, x is converting a positive number. Same process to y. So you can look here, we can convert negative number to positive, and then we can find the GCD, or we can say that HCF. So now you can understand what is GCD and HCF. So I can short form that is in maths. So I can solve this definition in C language. So now just start our pressing the logic main for loop. I initialize 1, and here look at our paperwork. So x modulo I, yes, 0, and both condition is satisfied. So GCD assigned to I, but here that is a, yes, first time that is a x is 4 and I is 1, so that is 0 and 8, so that is a common. So GCD assigned to, we can say that I, so is a 1. Now I plus plus, so 2, yes, that is also common. So 2 modulo 4, so that is remainder 0, and 8 um, modulo 2, so that is also 0. So now GCD assigned 2, yes, that is common. Now I plus plus, so I 3, but that time condition is uh, for loop is true, but here if condition is false, so that is a directly I plus plus. So I is 4, yes, that common. So let us x is 4 and I is 4, so the remainder is 0, and y is 8, and divide modulo so 4, so that is also remainder 0. So that is our 4 assigned to GCD, and that is a perfect. And here while loop is means for loop is false. I less than or equal to x is 4, but here I is a 5, so condition is false. This for loop is condition, both and operator. So that we can find our first means common, that is highest common factor, or that is a divisor in greatest common divisor. So that is a 4. Yes, so 4 and 8 we can already you can look our paperwork. So here we can find the common factor is a 4 and 8, that is 4. So we can get 4 number. Yes, that perfectly our logic. So now I can run, yes, that print. So that is a perfectly uh, yes. So what that is our we can find out the number. So now again I run and give the two different numbers. So like we can check any two positive integer or negative that convert in positive number. So I give the like -5 and -7. So just let us check. I positive to negative means positive negative number convert into positive. So that is a our ternary operator. Yes, two statement. So that is a needed. If you here enter any two positive numbers, so here that two statement is not required. But here we can convert only enter two integer numbers. So user that possibility if enter negative number, so we can convert into the positive number. So that is a good. So now again I run this for loop trace. So yes, both condition is satisfied. I less than equal to x and I less than equal to y, because x is 5 and y is 7. So modulo 1, yes, that is perfectly both that common. And now I plus plus. So now that if condition is false, for loop is true. So again that condition check, yes, 3, that is not a true if condition. So again 4, yes, 4 is not possibility, because 4 modulo 5, x is 5 and I is 4, so that not remainder 0. So that is 1. So again, yes, now x here reminder 0, but here y module both and operator. So both expression is true. So then and then our if condition is true. So here you can look I less than x, I and both are same. So that condition is true, but now I plus plus. So that condition is false. And that is our one answer. So 5 and 7, that getting the one answer. So yes, you can give any number. So last time, yes, I can trace and give the -6 and minus like 12. So let us check. So yes, both are first. I just pass out. Both are negative to positive, and our for loop is true. Now I 1. So both if condition is true. So GCD assign 1. Now I equal true. So that is a 2. Yes, GCD assign 2. Then 3. That is also true. Yes, 4. That is also 5 is not, but 6. Yes, that is a less than or equal to I here 1. Yes, 6 is possibility. So 6 is a common. Yes, now 6 and 12 number. So that is a highest common factor. So 6 and 12, that is a 6. So now I think you have to understand, and I stop the watch window and full screen. So you can look, so write this program to your C notebook here, very interesting session for your knowledge. So we can also apply the T logic in same definition. So recursion technique, then while loop, and now here I use as a for. So that is a best you can understand mathematical programming. So what is a GCD or HCF, highest common factor, and greatest common divisor. So yes, I hope you can understand and enjoy this session. So now I can you can write this program to your C notebook if you prepare. So now I close this file by explaining step by step with example, and so here we can say that. So some student not getting what is a paper. So this is a paperwork. So we can compare to our answer to our paperwork. So when we can run, so I here like run and 4 and 8. So 4 is answer. So we can directly how that is a perfectly because we have to already calculate to ourselves. So that is a paperwork. So any definition we can apply input, process, and output. So here two integer number, that is our input, and that is our we can say that process. So positive, negative number convert positive, that is required, and then we can apply to our logic, and then that is our output. So input, process, and output, divide and conquer to any definition of C language. So alter F3, I close this file and at watch and output window and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture, and press the bell icon to never miss any update. And you can also write comment section about regarding this logic or definition or any doubt, so I can give the answer to you. Thanks again, and Hare Krishna.